Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the stroke settings so the arrow behaves predictably. First, open the stroke panel and set a visible weight and color. This prevents tiny default lines. Next, pick the line tool for straight arrows or the pen tool for custom paths. Click drag to draw a line while holding shift to constrain angles. Once the path exists, keep it selected. You'll apply arrowheads and refine proportions in the next step. Once the line is selected, open the stroke panel and choose an arrowhead for the start or end. This is where shape options and scale live. You can scale arrowheads independently or use the stroke weight to maintain proportionality. Scale values above 100% enlarge the head. Make sure align stroke setting matches your visual goal so the arrowhead meets the endpoint cleanly. If needed, use the free transform tool or object transform scale to keep the shaft and head proportionate. To finish, convert your stroked arrow to a shape before exporting by choosing Object Path's outline stroke. This avoids appearance shifts in other apps. Group any multiple pieces and lock or align them to guides so placement stays consistent. Make sure to save a layered copy in case you need to edit. If something goes wrong, like arrowheads floating or misaligned, inspect stroke alignment and individual arrowhead scale. Adjusting those two settings almost always fixes placement issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.